what's up, guys? Long time no talk, but I'm back here. Been really busy, but I wanted to get this video out here, a little quick one. My buddy has a Phantom 4 Pro. This is it right here, and he brought it to me because it had crashed all by itself. Yeah, apparently he was flying, taking some photos, and it decided to just go ahead and drift on away into the trees, and the gimbal broke off, camera was off, dangling. So the gimbal arm busted, the gimbal motor here, the gimbal arm, it's all busted off. Gimbal motor, it's what's left of it, the top part's all busted off. You know, here's the cable, the old cable that had to be replaced. This little piece is what's left from some of the stuff and from the old gimbal motor. As you can see, it's all ripped to shreds. So it was dangling and hanging, and so we went online and ordered some aftermarket parts. Well, I wouldn't say aftermarket, just third party, not original DJI parts, but they're very similar, and it didn't really cost too much. And put it back together. The thing that made it tough though was when he brought it in, we worked together to take it all apart to see what parts needed to be replaced, and then we didn't put it back together. So it probably sat for a month or so, and then we got the parts, and I brought it home to put it together, and there was pieces everywhere, but as you can see, I managed to get it back together and tested it out. As far as the camera, the gimbal, everything's running. No errors, no gimbal errors. Camera looks good. So tomorrow we're going to, if the weather permits, we're going to see if it'll fly. It should. As you could see, maybe you could see right here too, also it's got it buckled out and cracked. Little part of the body right there, but everything else looks good, and I don't know, we'll see if she flies. So but yeah, I just wanted to get this out there. It was my first attempt at repairing one of these, and I'll tell you what, it was, when this is all apart and the pieces and little screws are everywhere, it's a little scary, but it seemed to work out pretty cool. So anyway, if you like what you see here and you like the things I'm talking about, let me know by hitting that like button down below and subscribe to my channel. And as always, thanks for watching. Later.